Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw FROSTFANG from the Monster Hunter series. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video. Now, to begin with our FROSTFANG, we're going to start up here towards the top of our paper. And I just want to begin by making a little line that's going to go down and it's going to curve over like this, kind of like a check mark shape. Next, we're going to make a line that goes down and it's going to curve up for the eye. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a couple little lines that go out and then point down for the little eye ridge. Next, we're going to start up here by drawing a line that goes out, and then it's going to come down for the snout. Then I'm going to bring this up, and I'm going to curve up really close to the eye and then down. Next, starting here, we'll draw a little line that goes up and down just to show where that other eye ridge is. And right here, we'll make two little dots for just kind of where the nostrils are. Starting here, we're going to make a line that goes out and it's going to come to right about there. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that goes up, it's going to come to a point and then down. Then I'll make a little line that's going to curve up and then come right up to here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down for a really long fang, and then it's going to come right up to here. Then we'll add another little line that just comes down. Inside of here, I'm going to add some small sharp teeth. And right about here, we just want to make a line that's going to curve down, it's going to come around and then curve back a little bit. Then we'll make a line that goes down, and it's going to come up to here. Starting here, we're going to make a little line that goes down and over. I'm going to add some more teeth here with a little line that curves back for the mouth. Now, starting here, we're going to draw another fang that goes down, and it's going to come up, and we'll jump up right to here. Starting here, we're going to make a line that goes up and in. And then right here, we're going to draw a little line that's just going to curve around for the neck. Right about here, we're going to make a line that goes down. It's going to come to a point and back. And I'm going to repeat this a few times as I go down until I get to about here. Next, I'm going to come across and draw a little curved line. Starting here, we want to make a line that's going to go up and it's going to come down for the shoulder. Go down a little farther. Then I'm going to go out and I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down here. Now I want to leave some space and I'm going to draw a line that goes down and it's going to come up for a little claw. We'll make another one that's going to go down. It's going to come up and around. I'll make another one that goes out and then it's just going to curve up and down. Next, I'm going to draw a line that goes up here. Then I'm going to draw another one that curves up here. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes out and I'm going to go down. Then we're going to bring it into here. Nice long curve. Starting here, we'll make a line that curves around. It's going to come into a claw and come back. I'll make a smaller one over here. And one that goes down and it's going to curl around here. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a line that goes up and it's going to come in. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down and it's going to come over. I'm going to make another line that goes up and over here for the chest. Starting here, we're going to make a line that just goes down. Back here, we're going to make a really small leg. It's going to go down and it's going to come back like this. We'll make a line that goes down. It's going to come out here to a claw and it's going to curve back. Put another one right here. Then I'm going to draw one claw that goes down and comes up. Then we'll go up and bring it right up to here. I'm going to curve this back and I'm going to draw another little line down here. We won't see this other leg, it's going to be hidden. Now starting here, we want to make the big wing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line that goes up. I'm going to add a little spike. I'm going to go up a little farther and I'll add another spike. And I'll go one more, goes up and then down here. Then I'm going to add another spike here, another one here, and then one more. Next I'm going to add a line that goes up to a point and then it's going to come down. Then I'm going to go over and we'll come down here for the wing. Let's draw the wing over here too. So I'm going to start right here. We're going to go out and it's going to come back. One more that goes out and comes back. Go up a little bit, do another one. And I'm going to add a few more on here. Then we're going to come up to a point and we're going to curve it back to here. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up and it's going to go right to about here. And I'm going to add some spikes on here. So I'll add one here, I'll add another one here, and then one here. We'll bring this down to a point. And then I'm going to bring this back up. I'm going to add a little bit of like some small points on here for a little bit of texture and some ridges. And over here I want to add some more spikes on the back of the head, so we'll add a couple more here. I'll add one more going down. Now here's our basic drawing of our FROSTFANG. Now we want to come in here and add all of the different details. I'm going to add a couple little lines right underneath the eye here, just for some detail to make it look like that tooth is really far up in there. We'll add a couple lines around the mouth. We'll add a small little pupil here. Add a little curved line here for the ear. And I'll add a little kind of spike shape right here. We'll add a small broken line that goes down. And another one here. And I'm just going to add a few quick little ridge lines right along here for some details. Then I'm going to kind of bring these into a point down here. I'm going to add a couple little lines right along the chest. There's going to be some small spike shapes that are going to go right down the shoulder in a few spots. So I'm going to draw some little spike shapes here. And I'll put a few more here. And a couple more over here. And add a couple little lines right here. A couple broken lines along here. A few more here. Some little curved lines, a couple lines going down to show a little bit of different texture. Add some curved lines here for some claws. And then I'm going to add some curved lines right along here. I'm going to make some long broken lines going down. And another one here. We'll add some quick little curved lines around here. Now over here we'll add a couple more little broken lines, some quick curved lines right here by the claws. Some curved lines here. Some quick little lines and a few over here too. Gonna add just some quick little detail lines all around here. A few quick lines on the chest. I'm gonna add a quick little spike or two on the back leg. Now over here we want to add some little curved lines onto the claw or the spikes up here. Some long broken lines along here, and then a couple more along here. A couple long broken lines, quick curved lines for some extra detail. I'm going to add some curved lines on these spikes here for the tail. And I'm just going to make some long lines that come down here to show that his tail is almost like armor plated. We'll add a few more here. Some quick little lines on the spikes here. We'll add some little lines along here. And then a few little detail lines on some of these spikes. A couple little lines down here. Add a couple more extra lines here. And there you go. Here is your drawing of FROSTFANG from Monster Hunter. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.